If you are from Saudi Arabia, just stick with me in this video as we are going to discuss the Jetka module for Ultimate POS, which helps you to stay compliant with the phase 2 of the Jetka requirement. So once you have installed the Jetka module, just scroll down and here you will find the Jetka menu here. Just click on this Jetka module menu and you will find the option for onboarding. So onboarding is one of the very first and one of the very important step which every business which registers into the POS system has to do. First thing they have to do is just they have to apply this setting. So all this should be green check mark for this Jetka module to work properly. So I will just click on this apply setting. All these are green check mark. I will just configure the auto sync option. We have three different auto sync options that is we can keep it disabled, we can keep it instant, or you can keep it as daily. This disable you have to manually use Jetka module and sync the invoices with the Jetka custom authority. This invoice is created, it will instantly get synced with the Jetka custom authority. With this daily sync, the invoices will get synced at the end of the day. So you have to set up a cron job station of which is already present. With this cron job, it will sync with the Jetka custom authority at the end of the day. So once you have done these two settings, just come to this onboarding step. This onboarding step connects with the Jetka tax and custom authority. So let us say if we have two business locations, then you have to do the onboarding for both of these business locations. So as many as business locations you have to do the onboarding for each of them. Let us select location 2 from here. Let us try with the location 2. This location 2 we have an option. The first option is portal mode. What should be the portal mode? Will it be the developer portal, simulation mode, or if you want to go to the live, just click on this core mode, live mode. The first thing which you can do is just try with the developer portal. So with this developer portal, you can fill everything as a dummy data over here. It does not do a lot of validation. So it's very easy to get started with the developer portal. Once you are familiar with the developer portal, just select the simulation mode. Simulation mode, you have to fill all the data correctly and you have to also fill the OTP correctly from here. But still the invoice will not get synced with the live Jetka custom authority. So to sync it with the live, just select this core mode and click on this app submit button. After clicking on this core mode, you have to provide the OTP here and click on this, fill out all this information and then click on this submit button. So here I will just give a demo of how the developer portal works. So I will first click on this developer portal as a organization unit name, that is branch name or the company name, organization name, GS serial number, VAT name, S type. Do you want it to be C or will it be B2C only or will it be B2B only? Registered address. Enter the sort address from your national address card. Select the business category, CRN number, street name, building name, plot identification. So just fill out all this information. As you have filled out all this information, click on this submit button. This submit button, it will take a few minutes and it will give you whether the onboarding is completed or if any of this information needs correction. Wait for a few seconds that it sync with the Jetka authority. So you can see it is showing a success message here. That means session 2 is successfully connected with the Jetka custom authority. So you can see the portal mode is developer portal and the status is success here. If you are connecting in the core mode, then also it will show that portal mode as core and it will show the status over here. So we have successfully onboarded our business, successfully connected our business with the Jetka custom authority. Next step which you have to do is just go to the sales. Depending on the auto sync setting which you have, if you have selected it instantly, if you have selected it daily, it will sync the invoices. Let us keep it as disabled for now. So if I have kept it at disable, whenever a new invoice is created, I have to manually come to the list of sales over here, click on this sync button. So let us try to click on this sync button here, sync. If there is any incorrect in the invoices, if there is something wrong in the invoices, then it will show a error message here. It is showing failed to process cell line invalid tax percentage 10. So in the Jetka, it commonly needs 0, 5 or 15 percentage as the tax percentage. But since this invoice has a tax percentage of 10, it is not getting synced. So similarly, just like if you are using feed from Saudi Arabia, Just make sure all the text, all these are configured properly from here. That is, go to the business settings, and here you whatever the tax rate you have added, just make sure all these tax rates are as per the Jatka custom authority tax rates. You can see we have many different tax rates here, but Jatka requirement just keep it as 0%, 5%, and 10%. So once you click on this sync button, it will show a success message here. If it is not synced, it will show a pending status here. So once this is synced, it will show a action button. In this action, we have two different options. That is download XML. It will download the XML of this particular invoice. So if I click on this download XML, it will download the XML which we can download, and we can see whatever the information is present inside the XML. If we click on the download A3 PDF, a completely organized PDF as per the Jetka custom authority will be presented over here. In this PDF, there is a QR code which is compliant with the Jetka custom authority. That is, this coming straightly from the Jetka custom authority. You can see all the informations are present in a very organized way as per the Jatka requirements, as well as it's written in the Arabic language. So here we have invoice number, invoice date, invoice due date, payment term, information of the seller, information of the buyer, description, quantity, unit price. All these informations are as per the Jatka authority. So you can see the invoice is completely as per the Jatka authority. Next, you can also sync all the sales written from here, whatever the sales written is created. Similar way, if in the onboarding you have selected auto sync as disabled, you have to do it manually from here. If you have clicked it at instantly, then it will be sync automatically whenever the sales written is created. If it is selected as sync at the end of the day. That's all in this Jetka module. Let us explore what all features is present here. Big advantage of this Jetka module is it does not require any third-party APIs. That is, you don't have to pay any extras. You don't have to pay for number of requests which you make to the Jetka authorities. So we have created this module directly taking all the APIs from the Jetka. No third-party APIs are present, so the data from here will be directly synced to the Jetka. So it will not be getting sent to any third party. So easily registered each of your business are using it with a SaaS module. Register all of the businesses from here. Just do the onboarding and the business will get connected to the Jetka custom authority. You can connect as many as business using this Jetka module. You can use different portal mode, option for automatic invoice syncing, one-click compliance. You can download XML. You can download the secure compliant invoices. This you can easily get compliant with the phase 2 of the Jetka. But let us see, if for any purpose you need the phase 1, then you can also use the phase 1 from here. Select the compliant with phase 1 or phase 2 for printing the QR code in the invoice. QR code is present in the invoice. If you are selecting it at phase 1, you can use it with the phase 1 also. This is all the features present in the Jetka module for Ultimate POS. If you have any further questions, just comment down in the description below. Also, I will be giving the link of this module and giving the link of SaaS module and every modules in the description below. Thank you for watching.